before you cut the fish, because it's a frozen fish, it is very delicate, and we need to get the boiling water ready immediately.
You add salt?
Before, yeah, we add salt and some oil. Before we cut the fish, because it is a very
This kind of fish.
short process of boiling only. And then if you don't boil it, then the fish will deteriorate very quickly. And now we start cutting the fish. And the fish will be packed dry, you see? It's no moisture. Packed dry by tissue paper and a dry towel. Of course, dry towel would be more environmentally friendly. This fish, diagonal cut. It's a butterfly cut if possible. Like this. Because this fish is very delicate. So it will fall into pieces immediately. It's the cheapest fish from Vietnam, but then you can still enjoy. We call it the Pangasius. So this is a typical butterfly cut. Okay. That is beautiful. Even you have a cheap fish, you can enjoy. You have protein, affordable. And this is all our purpose of recording this video. Sauce. Make it beforehand. Some lemon juice, some fish sauce to taste, and then of course you can add a little.
Kailangan blanch lang.
I think it's enough long. I would show you how to. I will tell you how good stuff shallots.
Lagyan ng shallots.
It's fried before. And then we also have the garlic. Do we have the raw garlic?
Yeah, I mixed them.
Oh, okay. The raw garlic, 10%, and then the fried garlic. And then we have also some diced coriander, or we call it cilantro. And then finally, a kick of chili to make it spicy.
Yung mahilig sa sili.
And that's it. We can just dress it simple by some oil, extra virgin olive oil. And that's it. A simple dish in 5 minutes after the fish comes out. So here we are. Soy sauce.
Little color, black soy sauce.
And also give it a touch of additional flavor. Okay, here it is.